Have you ever peed in a pool?
I'm thinking if
That silence. Have you ever kissed a friend's ex?
Yeah. Everyone who's friends becomes Jijaji to me.
Have you ever gotten into a physical fight?
So I remember doing this and I hit like this and I remember that guy's head went and I remember seeing blood coming out.
Have you ever gotten a hickey?
No, yeah.
Hello guys, this is your host Aruna Purve and you are watching me on Bollywood Society. तो इस वक्त हमारे साथ वो एक स्पेशल एक्ट्रेस है जिनका अंदाज है सबसे अलग और टैलेंट है सब पर भारी. द मोस्ट वर्सेटाइल एक्टर. वेलकमिंग आदा शर्मा.
थैंक यू.
वेलकम आदा.
दैट वाज सो स्वीट. थैंक यू सो मच.
इंटरव्यूज तो काफी हो चुके हैं तो आपके बारे में शायद से आपके फैंस को ऑलमोस्ट पता है, बट ऐसी कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपके फैंस को नहीं भी पता हो सकता है.
Okay.
तो हम एक गेम खेलेंगे जिसका नाम है Never Have I Ever.
Oh my God. Okay. हाँ.
So, can we start?
Sure.
Ada, have you ever taken a sick day when you wasn't really sick?
In school, I have done such stuff. Yes. In work, I have never done that. No.
Oh, okay.
But in school, I have done that several times.
And what was the reason?
Didn't want to go to school.
No. What reason did you give? Ki if you are sick, then
Not well. And my mom and all knew. It's not that I lied to my mom and all. उनको सच बताया. And I told my mom कि नहीं जाना है आज मुझे like birds के साथ खेलना है. Please, I don't want to go. तो वैसे हाँ.
Okay. So have you ever accidentally sent an email to the wrong person?
Yes. Emails, texts, I only send wrong things at all times. Having a phone in my hand is a dangerous thing to have and I don't even have to be like intoxicated या drunk. मुझे ज़रूरत है ही नहीं. In normal circumstances, I'll send wrong messages to wrong people.
ऐसा कोई wrong message है जो आप बताना चाहेंगे जो गलती से चला गया?
नहीं. I think but वैसे कुछ किसी की बुराई ऐसे नहीं थी. Not like that. But I'll just send wrong messages to people. Okay. Not purposely, but.
Okay. Have you ever ghosted someone?
No.
Okay, never.
I don't think so. Not intentionally, at least, for sure. No.
Okay. Have you ever sang karaoke?
Yeah. Definitely, yes.
Have you ever sleepwalked?
I should hope not. And I hope we keep that only for the movies and in real life we don't. But I sleep alone, so we won't. I mean, in my room, I'm alone with the locked door, so we don't know. According to my team, I do things at night because even in my hotel room, if they've kept some things in certain places, they come back in the morning and those things are in different places, or I seem to hide some certain things at night or something. So my team believes that I sleepwalk or I do things at night which I'm not telling them.
Okay. Have you ever gone to a party you wasn't invited to?
No, not yet. I promise you that wherever you've seen me at any party, I've definitely been invited. I don't have the guts to go somewhere not invited.
Exactly.
And I've seen people who go and I think it's like you need guts to do it. वो उतना guts नहीं है मेरे में. Kerala Story जैसी movies करने के guts है, पर उतना guts है. पर going uninvited to a party वो वाला अलग वो guts अलग होते हैं.
The next question भी मेरा कुछ ऐसे ही है. Have you ever gotten into a physical fight?
In real life?
Real life.
No, but once I punched somebody on the face because I was like young, 9th standard, and I was coming back from tuitions and there were these 3 big guys who were kicking stones on my legs. So I turned back and I said, mat karna. And then I walked again and I said, mat karna. And then again they were still kicking and I was wearing open chappals from the back. Or they came so close to me, I remember here. And then I said, mat karo. So he came here and he said, karenge, kya karenge? Or something like that. And I remember reflex say, my mom's brother who does martial arts had told me, never punch someone from here. Because ये बहुत fragile है ना ये. If I punch you from here, I can get hurt. Like my own this thing. When you're hitting someone, hit from here. Like this and hit it under here. Ooh. Because then you won't, this part of yours is the strongest. यहाँ पे. If you hit, na, this is, it's weak. Your own fingers and all can get hurt. So I remember doing this and I hit like this. And I remember that guy's head went and I remember seeing blood coming out. And he held like,
oh my God.
And I remember turning and walking up that Pali Hill ka slope at full speed. At like full speed. So that is this. But I thought I needed to do. They were so close to me.
Oh my God.
Thank you for the background music.
Time पे था, on time.
Actually.
और एक टिप भी मिल गया आपके फैंस को.
हाँ.
ऐसे नहीं मारना है guys.
ऐसे नहीं मारना. No, if you're punching, don't hit with because this is very fragile. आपके knuckles टूट सकते हैं, आपकी उंगलियां ये here like this. But don't do violence in real life for no reason. Huh?
Okay. Have you ever snooped through someone's phone?
Snoop through? No. My God, I don't have the guts to do these things. I'll not do. My heart rate will go so. I'll tell and look if you want, but I won't. No, I'm not interested in knowing actually. Even I don't want to know. Some things are best left unknown.
Right.
So.
Okay. Have you ever kissed a friend's ex?
A friend's ex? No, I will not do anything with friends, anybody. Everyone who's friends becomes Jijaji to me. I don't believe in... it doesn't happen only, वो दिल से वो जीजाजी वाली feeling आ जाएगी if you're anything of my friends or have been or anything, I think.
Okay. Have you ever told someone I love you without meaning it?
I'm thinking if
That silence.
I'm not sure. Maybe.
Okay. ये option नहीं था. It was
it was never or I have. Yeah, maybe. I don't know now. I can't recall that exact feeling now. So that's what I'm saying. I don't want to lie.
Okay, I'll take it as maybe.
Yeah, take it as a maybe.
Have you ever cheated in a test?
No, I don't cheat. I don't cheat in anything in life. I don't cheat on food. I don't cheat on tests. I don't cheat on people because I feel आप एक चीज में अगर cheat करोगे, it goes into other things. So I don't cheat.
Oh, that's okay. Have you ever gotten a hickey?
No.
Never. Okay.
You think I'll tell you if I do?
I got your answer.
I get a lot of hickeys from mosquitoes. I put some video on my Instagram also. Okay, a lot of times like I have hickeys not here and all, but I have like here, and they'll actually look like hickeys because it's a machhar ka bite, and then I'm like scratching and then it grows, and then I'm scratching it more. Now if it's here, you'll know it's a machhar bite, but if it's here or here, it might look like a hickey. But I promise you that definitely more machhars have given me hickeys as compared to humans. The ratio is way off. So.
Nice. Have you ever lied to someone in this room?
You're counted? Are you counted? Then maybe.
In this room, yeah.
Maybe then, huh? Otherwise, to you, I've never lied. No.
Smart move.
Maybe, huh?
Okay. Have you ever told a secret you wasn't supposed to share?
No, never. You can tell me anything, it goes to the grave. I know so many secrets of so many people, it's unbelievable. If I vomit them, it'll just... No, but I never will. I'm somebody who can just keep secrets. I'm an excellent secret keeper. That's my first profession.
Nice. Have you ever found a dumb excuse to text your ex?
I don't need excuses. I'll go and text without excuses.
Okay. Have you ever been caught lying?
No. I won't lie, and if I do, I'll do it so well you won't know I'm lying. No, I won't. I usually avoid. I get really stressed if I have to lie, then I get loose motions and all. It's too much trouble. So if to lie, it has to be planned and everything, and I avoid.
Oh.
But if I do it, it should be done so well that you'll never be caught.
Have you ever peed in a pool?
In a pool, no, gross. I would not do that. No, yeah. I believe in karma. I don't smoke in your air and I don't pee in your pool. No, I just don't. No.
Okay.
Gross.
Have you ever lied while playing this game?
Actually, I'm not. I just felt like saying that for the heck of it. I've not even lied to you. I've been very honest in this. 100%.
Okay.
And see how well I lie. You'll never even know I'm lying. I'm so good at it.
Getting it.
You never even know.
Have you ever gone viral for something super embarrassing?
No, I don't get embarrassed actually. It's very difficult to get me embarrassed. It's very difficult to... I don't get... I actually don't. I can't remember the last time like I was embarrassed about something. Very hard to get me embarrassed. So no. I've gone viral for weird things. But like sometimes I don't know.
Which made you embarrassed?
Nothing. No, embarrassed? No, ठीक है.
Very safely answering you.
No, how to get embarrassed means what? No, viral to ho gaya. Somebody liked it or hated it or something. Abhi main ka... No, embarrassed I don't think.
Okay.
I don't think so. I don't know like what. If you give me some example, I can't think of anything yet that is embarrassing. Not that anything is coming to my mind now.
Okay. Have you ever learned a new hobby just to impress someone?
To impress someone? No, I don't need hobbies to impress someone. Hobbies I learn for myself.
Okay.
But to impress someone, I'll go do something. To impress someone, no. You've learned hobbies to impress someone? No, na. That makes a hobby
मैं
only.
अपनी favorite 2 types. क्यों impress करना है किसी?
हाँ, वो भी है. हाँ, वो भी. But अगर impress करना, I'm not learning a whole thing to impress. उतना trouble I've not done yet, at least. हाँ. No.
Okay.
If you're counting like learn some skills for a role to impress the audience if that is counted,
maybe,
then then I do it daily, every day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want audience validation. Yeah, then I do.
Okay. Have you ever fake cried to get something?
In real life?
Yeah.
No. I don't cry in real life at all. All my tears I reserve and keep for screen. On real life, I'm not a crier person. I don't cry.
No, any fake cry like बचपन में कभी शॉप में मम्मी को बोला
हाँ, but I
होगा,
didn't have
ये
to
चाहिए।
cry. I used to do it without tears. Didn't need tears. No water works for me.
Okay. Have you ever showed the power of being a celebrity?
No, don't think so. No, I wouldn't do that. I'd be too guilty if I did. No, but I remember when I was a child, I remember that there was this Aishwarya Rai article that I read, and I read that she saved a hippopotamus. Okay, and that was my thing of, I was like, power is so cool because she saved, it was a rhinoceros or hippo, I can't remember, but there was something, and that was some endangered species someone had kept somewhere and she got. And I was like, I also want to be famous and powerful because I want to save hippopotamus. So if I've used my fame in things like for an animal, this thing, for the trees ka cutting down thing I've used. And I've said I'm Ada here and, we'll tweet about this and everything. We manage that for animal, this thing, for rescues of those elephant and also that way, yeah, I have used them.
Okay. And in other way, like any advantage you have to put as a celebrity,
ये भी
like
थोड़ा
मैं
advantage
celebrity हूँ, मुझे ये चाहिए या फिर ये काम करके दो, ऐसे टाइप्स कुछ।
लोग anyway करते हैं, उससे ज्यादा जो मैं expect करती हूँ उससे ज्यादा ही लोग कर रहे हैं, तो नहीं, I'm very happy. I feel very like wow, you're doing so much for me already. So no, वैसे नहीं, अभी तक नहीं. I don't think I'll do that.
I'm sure आपके फैंस को अभी थोड़ा बहुत और एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके बारे में पता चला होगा।
Definitely. I think ये इन्फॉर्मेशन किसी ने मुझे नहीं पूछा. Thank you for asking me अलग-अलग चीजें.
Yeah.
This was fun.